to my family and what you did to me.
What helped you steal a kidney?
This ends now, Crowley.
Do you realise the damage that thing could do? You'd be picking up body parts for days.
And?
Just don't think you thought this through.
This is over, Crowley.
Is it?
Don't move.
Clearly you've forgotten who you're dealing with. I was a surgeon, remember? Nerves of steel, dealing with death every day. But that's not you, is it, Joseph? You couldn't kill a man in cold blood.
I mean it.
Do you? Really? You'd be happy to go to prison for murder? I think you'd rather see your granny on the streets than spend a single night behind bars.
You know nothing about me.
Then prove me wrong. Prove it. Prove it. You see, that's the problem with the youth of today. All bark and no bite.
Please. I can't do that to Kim.
I think you're forgetting about Dawn and the kids.
You stay away from Dawn, and you stay away from those kids.
You keep your side of the bargain, and I'll keep mine.
How am I supposed to take her money without her knowing it was me?
Not my problem. You brought this on yourself, Joseph. Actions have consequences.